Standard 5 Environmental Science 1 Infectious Diseases and How to Prevent Them. Questions and answers. Fill in the blanks. Microorganisms cause diseases. Number 2. When diseases spread through food, it is called food poisoning. Number 3. Malaria is caused due to bite of certain kind of mosquito. Number 4. Germs of diseases like conjunctivitis spreads through air. Number 5. People who have a serious infectious disease like tuberculosis or swine flu are quarantined. Name the following. Insect that cause malaria. Answer. Female Anopheles mosquito. Number 2. Insect that cause dengue. Answer. Aedes mosquito. Number 3. Germicide used to kill microorganisms in the spittle of a person having tuberculosis. Answer. Phenyl or Dettol. Number 4. Microorganisms that are useful to us. Answer. Microorganisms converting milk into yogurt or microorganisms fermenting batter for idlis. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Intestinal diseases spread through air. False. Number 2. Some diseases are caused by the anger of gods. Answer. False. Number 3. Cancer is an infectious disease. Answer. False. Number 4. Insects like lice and fleas spread diseases. True. What's the solution? You are hungry, but the food has been left uncovered. Answer. Heating kills all the disease causing germs present in the food. So, if food is uncovered, then one should heat, that means warm the food, and then eat it when hungry. Eating warm food is always good for health. Use your brain power. Which method of preventing the breeding of mosquitoes will you recommend for your surroundings? Not allowing water to stay stagnant or spraying insecticides on the water? Why? Answer. First of all, it is better not to allow water to stagnate. Hence, I would recommend this method of preventing breeding of mosquitoes. However, if there are nalas or gutters in the surrounding areas, then spraying insecticides on water will be recommended to kill the mosquitoes larvae growing in water. Therefore, both the methods need to be applied sometimes. Answer the following questions. What is an infectious disease? Answer. When disease spread from one person to another person, they are called infectious disease. What are the mediums of the spread of diseases? Answer. Diseases spread through mediums like food, water, air, and insect bite. Sometimes it also spreads by coming in direct contact with a diseased person. What is vaccination? Answer. When a person is given a vaccine against a specific disease, he develops resistance to that disease. This process of giving vaccine is called vaccination. A triple vaccine is given which includes all three such as whooping cough, diphtheria and tetanus. Make a list of the vaccination given to a newborn baby. So the vaccine given, disease against which it is given, and age of the newborn baby when it is given. Make 3 columns and you have to write it. BCG vaccine against tuberculosis within 15 days after baby is just born. Hepatitis B vaccine, jaundice caused by hepatitis B virus when it is given as soon as the baby is born. Number 3 is oral polio. Against polio, it is given against the disease polio when it is given within 2 weeks. Triple vaccine against diphtheria, whooping cough, and tetanus after 6 weeks as the baby is born. Continue this answer. After that table, you have to write this answer, points too. Triple vaccine is repeated twice again, 10 weeks and 14 weeks after the baby is born. Hepatitis B vaccine is also repeated twice after 4 weeks and 8 weeks after birth. After completing a year, the baby is given vaccine against measles, mumps, and rubella. It is called MMR vaccine. Classify the disease given below as diseases through food, through water, and through air. So again you have to make 3 columns and write down the answers in those columns. Through food, through water, through air. So the diseases through food are typhoid, cholera, jaundice, gastro, diarrhea. Disease causing through water, typhoid, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea. Disease through air, tuberculosis, diphtheria, conjunctivitis, and chickenpox. Give reasons. When there is an epidemic of cholera, we should boil water before drinking. Answer. Sometimes water gets mixed with feces of person who is suffering from the cholera and it gets contaminated. When people drink this contaminated water, an epidemic of cholera spreads. We should not allow puddles of water to stand in our surroundings. Answer. When water stagnates in a puddle, mosquitoes lay eggs in the water and they increase in number. Mosquito bites spread malaria germs and people suffer from malaria. To prevent people from getting malaria, mosquitoes should be stopped from breeding. To prevent mosquitoes from breeding, we should not allow puddle of water to stand in our surroundings or to get collected in our surroundings. Thank you.